Okay, so I realize it's one of my biggest pet peeves when I hear people running their air conditioners right before Christmas. Well, it's 80 degrees upstairs and it's just hot up there, man. So we're gonna have to turn the York on December 23rd. At least it's not Christmas yet. Hopefully it won't be running on Christmas. I might, you know what, I might actually turn it off tomorrow night. It's not supposed to cool off until this weekend. Okay, so we're gonna start it up. Just got the new cat. 80 degrees. I can't believe it's 80. Alright, this thing's coming on. Gosh. Okay, so it's on. I cannot believe I'm doing one of my biggest pet peeves. But yeah, there's someone down the street always, when it's the teensiest bit warm, the air conditioner's going. So they're probably on right now, so I don't know. There's your data. It's the Guardian. It's 74 downstairs, so it doesn't need to be on. But alright, I just figured the video is gonna be called running the 2.5 ton, whatever, I don't know, right before Christmas. Alright, over and out.